How to turn on Emergency SOS on Android phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can turn on Emergency SOS on your Android phone. Now before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release our new video. Now without any further ado, let's begin. To turn on Emergency SOS on your Android, first open up your settings. Tap on your settings app. Then after you're on your settings, navigate, scroll down and tap on Safety and Emergency. There we go, tap on it. After you do that, tap on Emergency SOS. After you tap on Emergency SOS, there you can see a quick tutorial. You can set this up. You can get up fast with Emergency SOS. So tap on Start Setup. Then all you have to do is start by setting up emergency services. So you can add a mobile number here. You can change this number to whatever your police or local help number is. Then tap on Next. Then after that, you can start your setup from here. You can share your info with emergency contacts and stuff like that. You can also record a video. You can tap on the Start Setup if you want to set that up. And there you can see how you can choose to start Emergency SOS. So you can either touch and hold to start actions, or you can start immediately after countdown. Choose which you want, then tap on Next. And tap on Done to finish it. And that's how you turn on Emergency SOS on your Android phone. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.